Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Solchat token. Now this is a fairly new token and is getting a brand new central exchange listing very soon. Obviously this token is on the Solana blockchain, and we're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So you can find this token on DEX Screener. So there's a couple of different ways to get this token here. First of all, this token is listed on Raydium and Jupiter. So you can get this token by funding your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet or your Phantom wallet, whatever wallet you use for Solana tokens. Fund it with Sol. Go into the dApps, find Raydium or Jupiter, and then trade your Sol for the Solchat token using the contract address that you can find on their official webpage, solchat.io. Now, it was also just announced that this token will be getting a brand new central exchange listing soon on Poloniex. So you can download Poloniex from the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, get it on your PC, and then when it gets listed on there, fund your account with USDT and then go into the trade section and search Solchat and then trade your USDT for the Solchat coin. Now, Poloniex is not available in everybody's area, in everybody's country. So if not, you could always use Raydium or Jupiter, and it might have more central exchange listings coming in the future. So their official webpage is solchat.io. And over there you can find a document section. It'll take you over to docs.solchat.io. That's going to have all the info on there. So Solana is currently a leading blockchain with low gas fees. Therefore, we have introduced a communication protocol on Solana called Solchat. Users can text, voice call, video call, and do many other things similar to Web 2, but in a Web 3 environment. So right now they have Solchat Beta V1, which leverages the power of Solana, ensuring all messages and group chats are stored on-chain. Audio and video calls are facilitated peer-to-peer via WebRTC, eliminating the need for a database and preventing leaks. Privacy is our top priority, with every interaction encrypted. That's interesting because they have that Solana phone as well. So maybe if there's something like this, maybe the Solana phone will use a similar type of thing in the future. Or maybe they already have one. I haven't, I don't have a Solana phone, so I haven't used one. Solchat is a user-friendly protocol that allows users to communicate from wallet to wallet or between multiple wallets. Number one, there's text messages. You can chat with your friends one-to-one on Solana, encrypted just like your conversations on Instagram. Audio calls. Talk to your friends via audio, encrypted and peer-to-peer using WebRTC. Video calls. So video call your friends wallet to wallet using WebRTC, just like WhatsApp. Also pictures, post images stored on chain, storages like Arweave or IPFS. Group chats, create groups and chat with multiple friends together. Emojis, enhance your chats with the use of emojis. Payments, send Sol as payments to your friends similar to Cash App. Encryption, Messages are stored on-chain on Solana using encryption and decrypted when you connect your wallet to our UI. Security, since messages are essentially transactions and custom memos, you can use a burner wallet with a little SOL, like 0.1 SOL for several months. Less gas, so Solana's stateless nature allows us to store messages on-chain, requiring only a small amount of SOL to send each message to your friend. And lastly, premium features. We will offer premium features for those who stake their Solchat tokens. So the tokenomics here, Solchat is powered by the Solchat token, and they will have a total supply of 10 million tokens and zero tax, it says as well. So according to their DEX screener chart here, it's actually down 15% today, this token, but you never know. I mean, it's getting this brand new central exchange listing, so could do better in the future. Liquidity right now is $906,000, and it looks like it's mostly locked. And they have, the price of the token is about $4.25, it says. They have a fully diluted value of $38 million and a market cap of $36.7 million. And yeah, you can find their contract address on their webpage, and talks about here that, let's see here, they'd have a website, document, Twitter, Telegram. Solchat prioritizes user privacy and security through robust encryption protocols. Their Telegram has 5,007 subscribers on there, so they're doing pretty well on their social so far. And their Twitter, I'm going to put into the corner of the screen there as usual. And their Twitter has 15,200 Twitter followers, and they just joined in January 2024. So this is a fairly new project. And you can see on their Twitter there that they do have a Dapp. Their solchat.app is where their app is located. And then their webpage is linked on there as well. And they're going to announce most likely on this Twitter or at Poloniex when this Poloniex exchange listing will be. So just stay tuned for that. And yeah, let me know in the comments, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or what? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.